Hi fam, so today I will be showing you how I did our centerpiece and how I dress up our table for Christmas using what I have previously, and I just had to reuse it and redesign it every year, and some of the items were purchased at the dollar store. So stay tuned and watch. I'm gonna do our centerpiece. So it's not done yet. I'll show you the finished product. So guys, these pine cones, we got it at the park or outside because there's a lot of pine cones here, and then I spray paint them in gold. So I had this for a very long time. So that would be our table centerpiece. I'll show you like the finished product once I'm done setting up our table.